ZANU-PF factionalism has disrupted the party's self-verification exercise amid fights to control structures by camps linked to President Emerson Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga. Zvachizoendwa manje tauchiona kuti mubato reZANU-PF hamusina progress, party hakusina kwaya kuenda, noda kwema tensions ari pakati pemutungamiri wenyika na vice wake. Sanambira mashuka mudanyu kwa pana wa subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina munu kwa mchinzi. Some ZANU-PF leaders across several provinces told Newsday on Friday last week that they were yet to complete the cell restructuring exercise well after the deadlines. The cell restructuring exercise started in June and was expected to run until July 17. There is a deliberate attempt to delay the cell restructuring exercise because there is an issue of factionalism in the party, one party member said. If you control the structures, then you control the party. Factions linked to the president and Chiwenga are fighting to control the structures, and this has disrupted the whole exercise. Domashwa tukona rukupoda expose panapa ne ZANU-PF member chita aiwa kana munhu uchinge wa controller the restructuring exercise in verification nengo wa controller party, but kuna vanhu kwava nema factions avamo mu ZANU-PF kuti kune vamwe vari kumobilize for Mnangagwa vachimobilize for Chiwenga, saka patuva nemakakatanwa kuti vamwe vakada kumobilize for Chiwenga at the same time vada kumobilize for Mnangagwa, zvoonekwa kunzi saka achange achizokwanisa kuzotonga party ndiani apa pawane tension pane makakatauna pana panyogwa nawo yekuti restructuring exercise yaifana kupera musi wa July 17, but now tatoona kuti tatwa mid August, takutosvika month end ya August. Restructuring exercise yayo yakaiswa on halt noda kuma factionalism irimo mubato reZANU-PF. Tudze mafunguro muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi inako me section medu musaona subscribe or like